What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm such a Paladin, and this is Stodgy Paladin Reacts. If you're new here, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It greatly helps the channel. That being said, today we're checking out a video that was sent to me by a friend. I don't think it has anything to do with any type of UK or Britain type of history or meals or comedy or anything like that. Just something a friend sent to me. I haven't checked it out yet. He said it was hilarious, so yeah, it's only about 2 minutes long. Let's just check it out and see what it's about. What?
We're walking in the air. We're floating in the moon.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How's this thing even flying? Like, I don't know. I don't know what to think right now.
The people from below are sleeping the sleep I'm holding where
It's just a lawnmower flying in the air. Yeah.
I'm riding in the midnight blue. I'm fighting like a fly so high above
Okay, obviously it's probably not like all a lawnmower. It's probably got, like, you can see the smoke coming out of the back of it when it's like it goes down and then it's like comes back up or whatever. Obviously it's probably been altered, but it's still pretty funny. It's a lawnmower just flying in the air. Yeah, I think it's still hilarious.
the witches go by like the rivers and the hills, the forest and
Yeah, see, there was the smoke.
the streams. Gaze on them all, taken by surprise.
I mean, I know it seems like real basic that it's just just a lawnmower, and like, why is this funny? But I don't know. I just keep laughing. It's just physically a lawnmower. Like, I've never seen a lawnmower fly before. Yeah.
Down below, it's their eyes. We're swimming in the air. We're swimming in the frozen sky. We're drifting our eyes from oceans on
Yeah. So, all right. Just a lawnmower flying. Yeah. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's just, like I said, it was just a little video my friend sent me. Didn't know what to expect. I seen where it says lawnmower dreams, so I just figured, like, it had to do something with a lawnmower, but I did not expect that. I did not expect for it to be a flying lawnmower. Yeah. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Yeah. Appreciate it.